Okay, you guys, so today we're going to be needing popsicle sticks. They could be colored or they could just be the regular tan, a permanent marker, or any type of marker you have at home, some yarn, and any type of glue. I'm going to be working with hot glue because it dries a little quicker, but if you have tacky glue or Elmer's glue, that works fine as well. So we're going to begin by taking our marker and writing the word thankful up top, and then you're going to choose 5 things that you're thankful for. Once you are done, you could either glue them together and connect them, or if you want space in between them, you can glue the yarn after you wrote everything down, flip them over, and then you are going to glue the yarn behind it. And if you have any yarn that's extra, you could go ahead and cut it off. Okay, so after thankful, these are the few things that I chose that I am thankful for. And I wrote family, friends, love, home, and it's a little dark to read, but it says health. So you can choose any of these similar or the same words, or you could come up with any of your own. And if you have more popsicle sticks at home, you could always put them in between and add as many as you'd like. Or you could even write multiple. So if you write it really small, you could write multiple words onto these popsicle sticks. So now I'm going to glue them. So I flipped the sticks over, and as you can see, the glue is drying, and I have a lot of extra yarn, so I'm going to go ahead and cut it off right here. Okay, so this is pretty much what it's going to end up looking like. And then with that extra yarn that I had that I cut off, I tied a little bow at the top after I had tied this little hoop first. So just gives it a little extra something. So hope you enjoyed the video.